This is the Supermarche Bosch. The Supermarche is a front-loading bike that features massive payload capacity. From kegs to kids, this cargo bike can haul it all, no sweat required. Your safety and the safety of your loads is a key goal for us. This is why we have included critical safety elements during the design process. The Supermarche is equipped with the Bosch Performance CX and the PowerPack 500 battery. Bosch makes the most reliable bicycle systems on the market. Bosch drivetrains and batteries, contrary to untested systems featured on many cheaper bikes, meet all testing standards and environmental requirements. The Supermarche offers superior handling and more dynamic characteristics than any other alternatives on the market. Say goodbye to the minivan on the driveway and hello to the cargo bike lifestyle. To experience how this bike can improve your day-to-day life, please contact your nearest Yuba bike dealer to arrange a test ride.